2007 Ford F-150 4.2 liter V6. Customer complaint is fuse number 102, ignition switch feed fuse, blows intermittently on startup. Let's go ahead and try to start this up, see what happens here. Got to check engine light. Let's go ahead and try to do this again, just see what happens. Says he put a new fuse in the fuse box down there, and it started ever since. It's blown a couple times on him. Alright, we got AutoZone to bring us a new ignition switch. There's the part number for this truck. Not too difficult of a job to get it out. You see the turn signal switch here? Let's see, get you in here on the lighting. There we go, the turn signal switch here. There's a release tab right underneath there to get this ignition switch out. And basically all I did was use a pick, just like this. I stuck it inside there and turned it to release it. That'll save you from having to take the steering wheel off or the flasher assembly or anything like that. Just grab your switch here and you get it popped right into place, get everything lined up, and it'll fall into its spot. There we go, just like that. Alright, once the switch is back in, you get it plugged up. See if it starts. Starts right up. Go ahead and get the trim all back together on